Hi guys, Aspen here, Drone in Nature. I'm out hiking again. I'm at a place called Skjærgårdstårnet. It's a tower. It's about, 25 meters high. Really nice place to look at the view and just a great place to be. This is the last day with some good weather here on Askøy. It's supposed to rain now for a couple of days, so I had to take the advantage to go out and fly a little bit with my little Mini 2. Great little thing. I was planning to make a long-term review of the Mini 2, but I don't see the point of talking more about that drone. It's a bunch of videos out there, so I'm not gonna try to make it on the algorithm on YouTube with another review of the DJI Mini 2. I just want to say one thing about the Mini 2. It's been a bunch of videos out with different topics and hacks and tricks and whatever, but I must say this is the best drone I ever owned in my life. I had several drones. I've been flying for about 3 years now, 3 or 4 years. I started with the Phantom 4, great drone. It was too big to take with me on hikes. And after that I bought the Mavic 2 Zoom, a little bit better than a Phantom 4 of course, because you can fold it together, but still a little bit big. I had that for a while, then I was planning to downgrade a little bit because it was quite expensive drone, and I took the chance on the Fimi X8 SE. The drone was not bad. I didn't like the 4K image and was too unstable, disconnected and connected all the time. But the 4K image was really crap. You have to do a lot of tweaks with it to get it looking somewhat good. It was a little bit washed out. So Fimi is not the right drone at all. It's okay for the price, but too unstable, and was a good drone. It was a little bit big that too, so I sold that one and bought the Mavic Air 2. That's probably the best drone I had. Was also quite expensive. It's DJI, but good quality, and the drone was really good. I really love that drone, but I was planning to downgrade even more, and then it was a little bit more complicated because you have to have a good drone with good range and good image quality, and I wanted a drone that was really small because I love to hike a lot and being outside in nature, so I didn't have too many choices, so I got the DJI Mini 2. And this drone has just impressed me so much. The image quality is amazing for a small sensor like this. The range is excellent. I really like the new controller on the Mini 2. And the drone is just excellent. You can fly in pretty strong wind, and the range is just amazing. I see a bunch of videos out there. I don't gonna go into that because it's too much rubbish. A bunch of bigger channels that are reviewing the Mini 2 and making lots of stupid videos with faults and whatever. I don't gonna comment that. Everybody knows who it is, so they only do it for the views. They never get out and fly their drones, just sitting in the office and talking about the drones. You see some videos where they're sitting in the cars or commenting on other people's video and trying to learn them how to fly, but I think they need to learn to fly themselves first. But in my opinion, the only right drone to buy in 2021, if you want the small drone, of course, the DJI Mini 2. You have the Fimi Mini, I think it's called, completely crap in my opinion. And Hubsan have something too, but I think both of those drones is not gonna make it. They will never compete with the DJI in any way. I'm pretty sure that DJI will come up with a new mini drone, hopefully next year, and hopefully we get some kind of obstacle avoidance and a little bit bigger sensor. I think the range is more than enough for most people. You can't fly out line of sight, so it really doesn't matter. There's no point in flying your drone many kilometers away. I don't see a point of that at all. But yeah, the DJI Mini 2, excellent drone. Not expensive, it isn't, because it's high quality. But my recommendation for 2021 and probably into 2022 is still the DJI Mini 2. That's my opinion. So I really hope you enjoy this short talk about, this is not a review of course, but the talk about why I choose the DJI Mini 2 for me. Excellent travel drone, so small you can put it in your pocket, it's just amazing. So it's a high quality drone. It feels a little bit like a toy of course, but it's really small. It was really impressive to see what they have got into this little drone, that's for sure. It's really amazing. It's so small. See if my Panasonic G9 can focus on this one. Hopefully, yeah. But this little drone is the right buy in 2021, and it's quite easy to fly, and the app is excellent, easy to understand, and I don't have anything to complain about it. I normally don't use any of the quick shots. I just like to throw my drone up in the air and take some shots and get on with my hike. So excellent drone. Hope you enjoy this short one. So and really hope you will subscribe to my channel, Drone in Nature. See you on the next one. Bye bye.